Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Louisville, Texas. Fresh out of shrink wrap, brand new Sea Ray 230 SDX surf. So they make the surf in the 250 and the 270. This is the newest of those models, the smallest of them all, the 23. All right, so 230 SDX. First thing everyone notices when they step on board the boat, big cockpit for a 23-foot boat. You know, compared to like a 23 SPX, the other 23-foot boat that Sea Ray currently builds. I mean, it looks like you can put that other 23 inside of this thing. This thing has a lot of seating. Flip-flop backrests, so when you get to where you're going, you can flip your seats. This backrest will fold down flat to make a full sun pad. Being the surf model, does have trim tabs, twin Simrad screens in the dash, digital throttle, fully digital dash. Lots of room inside for storage, and if you wanted to put a like a potty in there, there's certainly plenty of room to do it. Recessed floor. I'm 6'2" and I can fit in there without any trouble at all. And because the windshield, the walkthrough, is pushed a little over to the port side, it allows you to seat two people, really three people in the front of the bow, facing forward, which is something you just can't do if your windshield is here in the middle. So really, really nice boat. This one also does have the bow shade, so two poles will come up here out of the bow, clip back onto your back of your tower to give you full shade all the way to the very front of the boat. So fantastic boat, and also power tower on board. So if you keep the boat stored somewhere where a little bit of a lower roof, be it for storage or on your slip, like if you keep the boat in a lift at a private boathouse, push button to lower the tower, which is fantastic. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.